Here is our Spuare Baler collection. So we're going to start off with the John Deere L340 large square baler. Next we've got a Massey Ferguson 2270 XD Hessen large square baler. This is a New Holland crop cutter BB9060. This is the 2012 Farm Show toy. New Holland Big Baler BB 340. Case LB 433. The Case IH LB 434. And as a bonus, got some small square balers. Just a New Holland Hayliner. It does not have a model number. And this is a John Deere 338 small square baler. Hope you enjoyed the square baler collection. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a comment telling me what's your favorite square baler toy that you have, and any suggestions for future videos, let us know. Thanks for watching.